Okay, in this video we're going to use the multiplication formula, addition formula, and the sum if formula. First of all, if you come to your spreadsheet and you have this convert to table, you can get rid of this. Alright, so we're selling coffee at 89 cents each. We sell 30. That's multiplication, 30 times 89. Of course, we use cell addresses, so we're going to put in here equal C2. For multiplication, we use an asterisk, which is shift 8. And then you see it's putting it there anyway. D2. Press return. Okay, wonderful. We can do the autofill. All right, now to find the tax in Pennsylvania, we have a 6% sales tax. 6% converts to 0.06. Very important that you don't accidentally do 0.6. That's a huge difference. Okay, the formula is equal E2 asterisk times 0.06. Okay, very good. Now finally, to get the total, we add the subtotal and the tax. So this is just an addition formula. So we're going to do equal. And we don't need sum. You see the suggested formula here is totally wrong. So that's why you have to pay attention. So all we're doing is E2 plus F2. Close. Okay, now just remember, if I did not get autofill, I can click here on the cell, go to the lower right-hand corner, click and drag it down. Okay, now before we go any further, I'm going to do a little formatting. So I'm going to highlight these 3 cells. I'm going to center align them, and I want 2 decimal places. So I look here, there's 2 decimal places, so that looks better. I'm not going to use the currency. Finally, we want to see how many beverages we sold. Okay, and it says subtotal, so we're taking from here. Sandwiches and sides. So we're going to add our categories, and we're going to use the sum if. And this is a little bit of a long formula, but it can be very useful. Equal sum if, open parenthesis. First thing you're doing is telling the computer where to look. So we want it to look in this column. Okay, so that's going to be B2 colon B11, comma, we want it to look for a word. All right, in this case, the word is beverage. B-E-V-E-R, oh, sorry. Have to put it in quotes. B-E-V-E-R-A-G-E, close quote. Okay, comma. And then you're telling it what amount to connect to it. So that's going to be an E2 to E11. E2 colon E11. Okay, then I hit enter and I get this. All right, 615.70. All right, so if you think 26 plus 345, okay, plus 60, plus 184, yeah, that sounds about right. All right, here's the problem. Autofill does not work here. These are wrong. These formulas are wrong. Trust me. Okay, the actual formula, the formula stays the same. The only difference is the word. Okay, so still is B2, B11. So sum if, comma, B2 colon B11, comma, quote. This time we're looking up sandwich. Close quote. And then E2, E11. Okay, and then one more time, equal sum if E2 colon E11, comma, quote, side, and then, oh, I did this wrong. This isn't E2, this is B2. B2 colon B11, and then up here, E2 colon E11. Okay. Again, I'm going to make these all 2 decimal places. Then I'm going to do the grand total, which we can use our functions up here. So I'm going to do sum, and then I'm going to select the totals. Press it. Okay, there you have it.